السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome you all to Medina Book 3. Inshallah, we'll be doing class 27 today. So, what are we going to do? So, continuing from our previous exercises, what we've done, where we are learning about Ism Zaman and Ism Makan. So, these are Ism Zarf. So, there are two. One is the noun of time, Zaman means time, and Ismul Makan is the noun of place. So they both come in two patterns. Depending on the situation, we will know whether it is Ism Zaman or Ism Makan. So it is Maf'alun and Maf'ilun. Just quickly go through again. So what are the things where we use the pattern Maf'alun? It will be Bab, Nasara, Yansuru, where we have Salim verbs where there is no naqis or anything, that we use maf'alun. If it is naqis, again use maf'alun. And both ajwaf and mudaf, the pattern of yansuru, then we'll have maf'alun. And maf'alun we use in misal, and which is ending with the salim letter, and in bab daraba yadribu. So if there is a kasra in the ayn kalima, and they will use maf'alun. So going forward, inshallah, what we're going to do is we're going to start our lesson number 7, ad-darsu sadisa. So again, we're going to the dialogues and see, and if we can pick up all the ism zarf, and we understand the root letter, where it is derived from, and what is the form, inshallah. So al-mushrif. So starting from the first word, we're going to see what al-mushrif means. So al-mushrif, if you see mu, so we should immediately get into our mind that it is from Fa'il Thulathi, Mazid Fihi. So this noun is derived from Mazid Fihi. So what form are we looking at? So if say Mushrifu, so it comes from form 4, Ashrafa, Yushrifu. Mushrif means one is the administrator, one who is managing. So he is the one who is speaking, and he says, Ba'da Tahiyatu. So after Ba'da Tahiyati. So Tahiyati means it is to greet somebody. So we say At-Tahiyyatu. So in our salah, when we say tashahhud, that's what we start with. So this is how it is written and pronounced. So after salutations, this is he is addressing a group. Antum mushtarikuna. So this is your harf al-istifham. This jumlat al-ismiya coming antum, and mushtarikuna is khabar marfu. Again, if you see mu, so we should immediately get to know that it is mazid fihi. And what form is it we're looking for? Mushtarikuna. See, when you see ta coming after the fa kalima, that means it is form 8, ishtaraka. So means to participate. So it's going, are you the participants? Al mushtarikuna. So this is a marfu. So we know it's marfu bi subuti noon, and waw represents antum. Fi rihlatil hajji. Are you the participants in the journey of Hajj? So this is addressing a group of people who are going to Hajj. So one of them, Ahmad, says, Naam, yes. So al-mushrif, so he's asking, now in this brackets, it's describing the scenario. Dr. Abdurrahim is describing what is he doing now. Al-mushrif is ya'udduhum. So what is this verb coming from? Ya'uddu. Adda ya'uddu, to count. So ya'udduhum is he counts them. Wa yunadihim. See, wa yunadihim. So again, you. So you'll know this is again coming from the form 2, 3, or 4. So if you see here, so this tells us it is form 3. Nada yunadi. So means to call somebody. So he counts and he calls them. Thumma yaqul, and he says, Antum al-an, you are now ثمانية عشرة. So again, let's analyze here. Antum is your mubtada, al-an is your zarf, and so we're looking for the khabar. You are now what? ثمانية. So this ثمانية عشرة means 18. So, but there is no sign of Dhamma here for being marfu. But from 11 to 19, the murakkab, it is mabni. Everything fatah, fatah, fatah. So we say samaniyata fi mahalli raf'in when it is mabni. So aina Hamidun wa Abdul Baqi. You say you're only 18. So where is Hamid and Abdul Baqi? So Al-Bara, one of them, he replies. Replying, what is the reply? Hamidun fil mata'ami. So we need to remember this. Hamidun fil mata'ami. So what were we looking here? Mata'ami. So what is this? Mafa'alun. So what is the verb coming from? Ta'ima. Ta'ima means to feed. So mat'am is where you eat. So this is in the pattern of maf'alun. And why it is maf'alun? Because ta'ima yat'amu. So it has got fatha on the ain kalima. That's why it is maf'alun. Amma. So amma, it is as for Abdul Baqi. So again, Baqi, this is coming as ism fa'il. Baqa yabqi. So Baqi. So if it is no al, it would have been Baqin. Because of al, we know the ya comes out. This is ism fa'il. فقد ذهب إلى المصرف. So قد comes as a harf tahqiq to emphasize. ذهب when it is with madi, that means the action has already been done. So as for Abdul Baqi, and he has already gone onward إلى المصرف. So what is our interest here? Masrif, which is the place of exchange, this bank. So it comes from Sarafa yasrifu, because Ain Kalima has got Kasra. So we have the pattern here is Maf'ailun. So both Maf'alun and Maf'ailun are in the sentence. So as for Abdul Baqi, he has gone to bank. Sayatiyani ba'da ashri daqaiq. So again, ata ya'ati. So ya'atiyani means they both going to come. Seen is harful mustaqbil. Ba'da ashri, so zarf mudaf ilayhi. Daqa'iqa. So ashri is here mudaf ilayhi wa huwa mudaf, and daqa'iqa is again mudaf ilayhi, but we don't see kasra, we see fatha. Why is it? Because it is mamnu' min sarf. Daqa'iqa mafa'ilun, that's the pattern here. So they're going to come after 10 minutes, inshallah, if Allah wills. Al-Mushrif says, so again, just keep an eye on the number of people who are going. So he counted 18 and 2 were missing, and they gone to Mat'am, and they gone to Abdul Baqi had gone to Masrif. So Amusta'idun antum. So Al-Mushrif is asking, again is your harful istifham. Musta'iduna. So what is this noun coming from? So again, look at mu. So immediately mazid fihi, and look at the form. So when we have ista, that means coming from form 10. Ista'idda, yasta'iddu. So that means, are you people ready? So are you the one who are ready? So it's saying amusta'iduna antum. This antum is for emphasis. So Al-Hasan says, Insha'Allah. So we are all ready. So Ali says, Mata safar insha'Allah. So when is the journey, inshallah? Al-Mushir says, في الساعة الثالثة. في الساعة الثالثة بإذن الله. So at 3 o'clock. So ثالثة again is coming from the pattern of fa'ilun. It's ordinal number. So now we know the time is mentioned in the pattern of fa'ilun. الساعة الثالثة بإذن الله. So with the will of Allah. بإذن الله. So Ahmad says, أين نلتقي? So again, look at this noun here. So aina, we know it is zarf, used for a question. So where? Naltaqi. So iltaqa. So again, should look at the form here. So it coming, the root form is laqiya. So when you have a ta coming after fa kalima, it is form. Then iltaqa yaltaqi is to meet. So where are we meeting? So this na tells us nahnu. So aina naltaqi. Al-Mushrif says نلتقي, so we are going to meet في موقف في السيارات بالجامعة. So we're going to meet in, so again موقف, this is مثال وقف يقف, and the pattern is مفعول, so اسم مكان, so this is اسم مكان. So you know the root word. And the parking lot, so we are making in the parking lot بالجامعة. So يجب أن تكون هناك, so we're going to say, you know, وجب يجب has to be compulsory. It's saying it's compulsory, and we know يجب, it will have المصدر المؤول coming as a fa'il. So what is compulsory? أن تكون. So again كان يكون, so we know يكونون, when an comes it makes mansub, so mansubun bi hazfi noon, so noon has been dropped here, so we know this is a mansub form. So that you have to be, it is necessary that you have to be hunaka, that is coming as zarf, you have to be there. So when they have to be there, قبل موعد السفر, so before موعد. So what is our area of interest here? Is مفعل. So again وعد يعد, this is مثال ending with the salim letter, so حرف صحيح. So that will have the pattern of مفعل, is موعد. موعد means your appointed time of travel, your appointed time of travel. موعد السفر بنصف ساعة, by half an hour. Nisf means half, and saat in half an hour. So you should be there. It is compulsory, it is necessary for you to be there before the appointed time by half an hour. Hatu, so again hatu, this is the fa'il amr. Hata yahutu, so we know whenever it is alif, so it is most of the time it is wow. This ajwaf al wabi, hata yahutu. So hatu means to bring, telling from antum. Haqaibakum, so what is haqaiba? That is your maf'ulun bihi, وهو مضاف and kum مضاف إليه. Bring your bags. Haqibatun is singular, haqaiba means plural. Bring your bags. Wada'u, so here we need to be a little bit careful here. This wow, the first wow, that's the ataf. So we've seen in the previous class as well. So the verb here is wada'a, but here it is amr, so that's why it is da'u. Da means singular, da'u means for antum. So and place it over there. So you have to come to the parking lot and you have to place your bring your bags and place it there. Where should they put their bags? في السيارة الواقفة أمام مدخل المهجعي. So in the car, or in the van, whatever you can say, al-waqifa. So what is waqifa? Means it is standing. Come from waqafa, ism fa'il, and because it is muannas, so we have ta marbuta here, and this al-waqifa is coming as a nat. So you have to put your bags in the parked car. Where is the parked car? Amama, in front of madkhal. See, madkhali. So again what we're looking here, ism makan again here. So dakhala yadkhulu, because this ain kalima has got damma, so the pattern is maf'alun. So amama madkhalil, the entrance of mahja'i. Again mahja'i from haja'a is to sleep, and the place where you sleep, ismul makan, is mahja'i, is dormitory. So in the front of the entrance of the dormitory, that is where you have to put your bags. So na'if again is ism fa'il. One of them he says lamma ya'ti. See, so we need to see lamma. We know it has same effect as lam, it's harfu qalbin wa nasbin. So it makes a fi'l mudari majzoom, and the meaning comes in the past tense. So lamma means not yet, ya'ti. So ata ya'ti, here how do we know it is majzoom? So we know here majzoomun bi hazfi harfi illa. So the ya should have been there. So ya is dropped. So we know this is majzoom. So they have not yet come. So who are we looking at? File. Zumala'u. Zumala'u is the file. So colleagues, and no, na is your maf'ulun bihi. Mudaf ilayhi. So our colleagues have not yet come. So as-sakinuna. So what is sakinuna here? Again, if you see fa'iluna, it says some fa'il. So here as-sakinuna, it is coming as a nat for zumala'u. Again, we know the nat should match the man'ud, but nat has got al here. Why is zumala'u not having al? Because it is coming as a mudaf. It does not have al, but because it is mudaf ilayhi is definite, this is also definite. So the people who are staying locally, sakinuna, the residing people. So our colleagues who are living here, they have not yet come. Fil mahja'i thani, in the secondary dormitory, the people who are living in the secondary dormitory, so they have not yet come. And the administrator says, Al-Mashrif, Ulaika sayalhaquna bina inda mahattatil qitaril qadim. So again, we know Ulaika is mubtada, sayalhaquna, that is your khabar. So what is the fa'al here? See, again, you should know it is lahiqa yalhaqu, to accompany. So this is they are going to join us. So it comes from harf jar bi. So lahiqa always comes with harf jar bi. So it's a lahiqa bi. So yalhaqu bi. So this is they to accompany us. They're going to join us. Sayalhaquna bina in the near mahattatil qitari. So again, mahattati is your ismu makan. So what is the verb here? Hatta. Hatta mahatta. So ta marbuta is added. Again, it is a pattern of maf'alun with the fatha. So it is station. Station, which station? Train station. And what's al-qadimi? Coming as a not for the al-qitar. So how do we translate? They're going to join us near the old train station. So عند محطة القطار القديم. So old train station. So Ibrahim says, come home. How many are there? Al-Mashrif says, hum asharatun. And they are 10. So we need to remember all the numbers. Just 18 of them were there, and 2 were gone out, and we have 10 more. So we know this is Amru. Whenever there is a Waw, we've done this before. So it is not Omar, it is Amru. So Amru says, Nahnu Zahibuna fil yawm sabi'a. So we are, again, Zahibuna means the people who are going, comes from Zahaba yadhabu, and Zahibun is a ism fa'il. So we are going fi yawm sabi'a, on the 7th day. In the 7th day, yawm sabi'a. So coming as a not manu. Akhsha. So I am. So it says we are going on the 7th day. I fear. Khashiya yakhsha. So akhsha means I fear. Fear what? An yakuna. So an yakuna, again, al-masdar mu'awwal coming as a maf'ul bihi. I fear to be az-zahamu shadidan. So again, kana yakunu. So we are have to looking for the ismu kana and khabru kana. So we know ism kana, it's like fa'il, so it will be marfu, and khabar will be mansub. So I fear that as zihamu means crowd, a large crowd, huge crowd. Shadidan, again, this is to give emphasis, that is it's going to be severely crowded. So I fear that the crowd is going to be severe. So this is how you would translate. So أخشى أن يكون الزحام شديدا في المطاف والمسعى. So where is going to be severely crowded? Well, fil mataf. So what is this mataf? So again, it is ismul makan. So come from tafa yatufu, and it is on the pattern of maf'alun, but that waw is changed into alif in ajwaf. Matafun wal mas'a. So again, this is coming from naqis. So sa'a yas'u will be mas'a. So where we do the sa'i. So in both the places it's going to be az-ziham shadid. So it will be severely congested or severely crowded. So al-mushrif says la takhaf. Don't be afraid. So this la nahiya tufidu amr. La takhaf. Allahul muyassiru. So again we're looking at what is this noun here, muyassiru. So when we know see dhamma, so we should know immediately form mazid fihi. So what is the form here? Yassara. You yassiru. You yassiru. So it will be form 2. So one who makes easy. So muyassir means here coming as ism file. Whenever you see kasra with mu, that is ism fa'il. So don't worry, Allah is the one who's going to help. Allahul muyassir. Allah will help. Muyassiru. Ana dhahibu ila maktabi. So I am going to the office, my office, maktabi. So maktabi without ya is your ism majrur wa huwa mudaf ya mutakallim mudaf ilayhi. La tansaw. So I'm going to my office now. La tansaw. Again is la nahiya. So it says nasiya yansa. So tansawna is your marfu, and here it is majzum bi hazafi noon. So don't forget. Forget what? Anna. So anna is coming as that. Maw'idana. So anna makes a, you have ismu anna. So to emphasis, don't forget that. Maw'idana as-saatu thaniyatu wan nisf. So don't forget that our appointed time, our appointment. So again, maw'ida is your ismu zaman here. Saatu thaniyatu is 2 o'clock, 1 nisf. This means half an hour afterwards. So half past 2 or 2:30. So their journey is at 3 o'clock. So they are meeting at half an hour before. So it's a half past 2. في موقف السيارة. So in the parking lot. في السيارات إن شاء الله. So again, what is our area of interest? موقف. Again, we know this is pattern of مفعول. اسم المكان coming from waqafa misal in the parking lot, inshallah. So this is how the discussion goes about the people going to Hajj and the admin, and we saw how the different ism zaman, ism makan have been used and the various other verbs. So now inshallah we're going to do the exercises, tamarin, quickly go through this and we'll finish our lesson inshallah. So ajib anil asilatil atiyati, answer the following questions. ما عدد المشتركين في رحلة الحج. So you should be able to understand everything here. Ma is your, again, harf al-istifham. So what is the number? Adad is the number of mudaf ilayh. Mushtarikeen, again, it comes from ishtaraka, form 8. So the participants, and what is the number of participants fi rihlat al-hajj? You can say adad al-mushtarikeen, or you can say adadahum ثلاثون. ثلاثون, there are 30 of them. So we know ثلاثون, أربعون, خمسون. So 20s, 30s, 40s. So 30 is ثلاثون. So أين ذهب حامد وعبد الباقي. So where did Hamid and Abdul Baqi go? So we know ذهب حامد إلى المطعم وعبد الباقي إلى المصرف. So مطعمي and مصرف is your اسم مكان. متى وعد السفر. So sorry, متى موعد السفر. So when is the appointed time for the travel? So موعد السفر. متى موعد السفر. So what time is the travel? So we know. So موعد السفر الساعة الثالثة. So it's ثلاثة, the 3 o'clock, so الساعة الثالثة بإذن الله, the permission of Allah. So number 4, أين يلتقي الطلاب? So where are the students meeting? يلتقي is to meet and طلاب is your file. So أين يلتقي الطلاب, where are the students meeting? وفي أي ساعة, and at what time? So we can say يلتقي الطلاب, the students are meeting في موقف السيارة بالجامعة قبل موعد السفر بالنصف ساعة. So they are meeting in the parking lot half an hour before the appointed time, and we know that will be about الساعة الثانية والنصف. So أين يلحق بهم طلاب المهجع الثاني? So where are the students? So الطلاب, my students of secondary dormitory are joining them. So we can say that سيلحقون بهم عند محطة القطار القديم, near the old train station. عند محطة القطار, محطة اسم مكان. So استخرج, the next exercise, quickly we're going to go through this. استخرج مما يعطي أسماء الزمان والمكان. So bring out all the, identify all the اسم الزمان واسم المكان. واذكر وزن كل واحد منها, and mention what pattern is this, مفعول ومفعل, each one of them. والفعل, and what is the verb, root verb, الذي اشتق منه, the thing which has been derived from it. First one, يقال. So again, قال يقول, يقال is your majhul, it is said. هو مني بمرء ومسمع. So that here what it's a proverb, we can say, so which means when you're close to somebody, you say he is with me, هو مني, so he is from me, بمرء ومسأ. It's mar'an means the place where it is seen, so come from ra'a, yar'a, so that is the root verb, so that is where it is derived from ra'a, is naqis, and mahmuz al-aini. Mar'an is here maf'alun, that's the pattern, the place that is seen. Wa masman is the place that is heard, so come from samia, yasma. So what does this mean? Huwa minni bimar'an wa masma, which means I bihaythu arahu wa asma'u kalamahu. That means to say, I means bihaythu. Haythu means wherever. So I can see him, arahu, I can see him everywhere, wa asmahu kalamahu, so I can hear him and I can hear his speech. So you're so close to somebody that you actually see him and hear him. That's the thing what is being told here. Then we bring some ayahs inshallah. قال تعالى بتنزيل إن موعدكم الصبح أليس الصبح بقريب. So it's coming from Surah Hud. So it's being said to the Qawm Lut, the Lut al-Islam is telling. So inna, so we know inna, it will have ism and khabar, and ism is mansoob. So maw'ida, that is your appointed time. So there is a pattern of maf'il. So wa'ada, so your misal, so that is your ismu zaman, so it's the time. So truly your appointed time, maw'idakum, that's as-subha. As-subha is your khabr inna. And alaysa as-subha, subha means morning. Alaysa as-subhu biqareeb. So again, laysa, we know it will have ism and qabr. So ism will be marfu. So here looking for marfu is as-subhu. Is it not the morning? So again, is your harf al-istifham. Is it not the morning? Biqareeb. So biqareeb is fi mahalli nasbin. There was no b, it will be qareeban. Because of harf jar b, it is majrur, but it is fi mahalli nasbin. Is it not the morning near? So inna maw'idakum subh alaysa subhu biqareeb. Next one, وقال, and Allah says, لقد كان لسبع في مسكنهم آية is your harf qasm, and qad is to emphasis. لقد is Allah is taking oath and he's already telling, it's already there is kana. So again kana, we know it will have ism and khabar. Ism will be marfu. So here this because of harf charli, this saba'in, that becomes your majrur, but it's fi mahalli raf'in. So it says in saba'in is a place in Yemen, fi maskanihim. So and in their dwelling. So maskana means sakana yaskunu. So maskanu, because of harf sharfi, it becomes maskani. So maf'alin, that's the pattern. And in their dwellings, ayatun, ayatan. That is because ismu kana, khabar kana will be mansub. So ayatan will be your mansub. لقد كان لسبأ في مسكنهم آية جنتان عن يمين وشمال. So here jannatan means gardens, two gardens. جنتان if you know alif alif musanna. So two gardens, عن يمين and وشمال, to the right and to the left. وقال قد علم. So again قد is coming as harf taqiq to emphasize the action has already been done. So alima means to know. So again looking for the fa'il. So kullu is your fa'il. So unasin is a tribe. So each tribe already knew قد علم كل أناس mashrabahum. So what is mashraba? Again comes from shariba, yashrabu. So maf'alun is ismu makan, the place of drinking, and here it means their place of drinking. So each tribe knew their place to drink. So it's Musa Islam when he hits and they get the water gushes through 12 springs. وقال أليس في جهنم مثوى للكافرين. So again laysa, looking for ismu laysa. So again if you see fi jahannama, jar majrur, that cannot be ism. So mathwa, so mathwan, so we know sawa yathwi, so naqis, and ismu makan maswan, that is coming as ismu laysa. So because it's naqis, the ya will not have the vowel sign, so it's a maswan. So is it not in the place of shelter? And fi jahannama is your, again coming as a part of maswa lil kafirin, for the people who disbelieve. Is there not in Jahannam? So how do we translate this? Is there not in Jahannam the place to take shelter for the people who disbelieve? So that is how you translate. وقال ما لكم من ملجأ يومئذ. ما لكم من ملجأ يومئذ. So you can analyze this. So we know this ma is ma al-hijaziyati. So it acts as laisa. So there is no. So it's negating. So we know it will have ism and khabar. So here, if you see mim malja'in, so lakum is jar majrur, so that cannot be ism. We're looking for ism. So we have got ism here, malja'in, but it is majrur because of min. So this min has been inserted. It is min zaida. It's like hal min majid or hal min jadid. Do you have anything new? So we have done this before. So this min zaida, but malja'in, this originally it was malja'un marfu, which is ismul mal hijaziyati. So what is malja'in means? It's a place to take refuge. So you take refuge if there is anything severe happening, any catastrophe is happening, you go and take refuge. So that's the place. Laja'a yalja'u is malja'in. So yawma is in this. Yawma is means the day of judgment. So Allah is saying, so there is nothing from refuge on that day. Is ma lakum min malja'in yawmaizin. So lakum is your khabr mal hijaziyat. So coming to the last section. An Abi Huraira So radiyallahu anhu, so narrated from Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, anna, that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam qala, so he said, man qama man majlisihi thumma raja'a ilayhi fahuwa ahaqqu bihi. So man qama, so who stood up, it has to be min here, it's not man. So man qama min, so this is a typo here, so you get confused. So whoever gets up from majlisihi, majlis means the place where you sit, so that's your ismul makan. So from his seat, so where somebody is sitting in a meeting or whatever, and he gets up, summa raja, and then he returns ilayhi, to it, fahuwa ahaqqu bihi, so therefore he has the right over it. So that is the etiquettes of Islam. So somebody has to go for some emergency, some had to go to the loo or bathroom, so he, when he returns, so his seat has to be given. It's not that somebody gets up and immediately somebody else occupy. So that is not one of our etiquettes. So this brings to end of our class 27. So it was a bit of a lengthy class, but I hope you understand how to recognize ismu zarf, ismu zaman, ismul makan, and understand the pattern and the root word, so we can go deep into the words now, so see where it is derived from. So inshallah we'll begin a new concept again in our next class. Until then, keep practicing and keep enjoying our lessons. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.